What's up, and good morning. Wanted to go over the trade today on Key. A few things that didn't really work out too well for me today. I waited for this consolidation here, and things didn't actually pan out the way that I actually thought they would. If you look at right here, we had a daily level at $10.92. It started to hold very strong between the 1084 and the 1092. Inside of this range, there was, if you look at here, the 1084 was prior resistance, and we had a 1084 and 1084. So we started the trade inside of this 1084 that was prior resistance, holding here. We got a 1086 here. We got a retest of 1084 right here in this hanging man, and then with the doji here as well. But the 1086 held pretty well right here. The 1084, I'm sorry, it's from right here, 1081 open, right? We had a daily level of resistance right here. So we were looking at these levels, and that's right here, 1092 and 1092 right here on the 15, right? So it held pretty well, and when it came up here, I was looking for the reversal. The slowdown here showed us that there was a possibility that we were going to roll over right back down. So you can see here, I didn't put the trade in on between these levels because I didn't want to get trapped inside. I didn't put a stop limit order, nothing like that. Again, I didn't want to be trapped inside there. When this thing finally broke on the way here, this doji here, see 1081 here, I sent out an order, not stop limit order to fill, nothing like that. I short, straight up short, hit the bid with a short. Only 200 shares though. It was just a starter, and I thought we're gonna come down. If you notice right here, we held a little bit on that 50 simple moving average on the one, came down here to 1077. I didn't notice that here also that level was 1077 right there, and that was an area that held. I actually, to be honest with you, did not notice that level here. So we came down here, gave me 4 cents, but obviously I'm looking for a rollover trade to come down under, for example, this areas here, right, and retest this 50 and 100 and come flushing down under the view app. Today this stock had some news from Bank of America, some analysts that cut the price target from 22 only to $15. While I was live streaming, I told the guys there and the gals that it was downgraded. Yes, but the problem with everything, even with the downgrade, the current price target was $15. From the 22, it was downgraded to 15, and it was trading inside of the 10. So the 10 to 15, we got a $4 because we're pretty close to 11 here. So one of the things that I did, I held a little bit too much, maybe because it was a small position. And another thing that happened was because from here I thought, okay, we're gonna hold this resistance now, that prior resistance being support here. It's gonna come resistance because it came up, rejected here, came down, and I thought we're gonna hold under the 50 to come flashing down, but it didn't happen that way. So it came up, and so the next level that I was watching was actually 1092 from the prior resistance. It didn't break, I mean it didn't hold, or it held, and it came up, so it didn't reject this 1092. if you notice right here, and then it went to the 11. Now when it got to the 11, I just stepped out with a loss. I put that order, and with the execution and all that kind of stuff, well, the actual order, I posted a picture in the Discord group for the guys on the tab with the closed orders, profit loss room in the Discord. It's open, you guys can go and see it if you want to. But that trade didn't work. I got an average of 1081, and the 50 held here with the 1077 and rolled right back up with even. Bad news, this thing went to the $11 mark, which I really think that it was going to do, and well, that trade didn't really work out way too well for me, although it was just, again, 40 something bucks. Didn't really lose too much. It was just 200 share as I started, because I wanted to put some more in as it was coming down. I was looking for a retest of this area down here at 1028, and I was on average of 1081, so I was looking for a pretty decent 50-cent move down there, but it didn't really pan out, and live to see another day. As of right now, you can see Key making new highs, going even higher here, and OXY, it's been a pretty decent mover. I sent out an email yesterday with a couple of stocks on the energy sector, 10 names, and EROS, because of the merger deal that he announced last week on Friday. That email was sent out to the guys that have, and the gals that have accounts on tradesconly.com. It's a free account anyway. That's something that I just send out every weekend. If you want to get that list, you just gotta go over to tradesconly.com. It's in the description, so you just gotta go over there and get an account. It's free. You're not losing anything. And the people that want to share ideas with us, also the Discord group is open and it's free, so you can go and take a look at that, and it might be beneficial for you. We got over 100 people there sharing ideas, and it might end up being a good thing for you. So for now, I'm gonna let you guys go. I want to share with you the trade on Key and what happened to me, and I'll see you back a little bit later. Take care.